want y'all to see how friendly these pups are. I can't stand scary dogs. I like my pups to be super friendly. That's what you want right there. And normally I don't just let them jump all over me like this all the time. But man, I want my pups to be all over me. I want them to be super friendly. That's a pet peeve. Look at that. Man, if they shy at all, they got to go. I can't stand that. That's it, buddy. Need some 4.5-month-old pups out of Tyson and Lacey. Man, they gonna be some go-getters, man. All three of these are males. Get it, boy. Get it right. Get it, guy. Get it right. Get it, guy. Get it, Mike. Get it, Mike. That's what you want. Watch. Let's go to the other one. Back up, buddy. My other pen. I got 2 females and 1 male. And one of my females, she shot back a little bit, but she ain't shot. Watch this, notice. See these 2 right here? See these 2 right here? I got 1 more, she stand off a little bit. But I noticed when I'm rubbing her tail wagging. That's so she ain't shot, she just don't want to really be bothered with it. But you gotta watch for that. I gotta watch. You gotta watch how these 2 are all over and she's standing back. Now she ain't running to the back of the dog pen right now, but you gotta look for that. And when you see one like that, watch this. So extra attention. Yeah. See, she ain't as. She got to build up trust. See, she ain't just crazy. See that tail starting to wag? Look at her. See what I'm talking about? She ain't shy, she just gotta build it up. Now she all right. Look at her, look at her, look at her. See that? See that? Look at that, look at that. That's why you gotta pay attention to your dogs. The training don't start when they get in the field. The training starts from the time they're born. You gotta watch for every little thing. That's it, girl, that's it. Right here. There go the other one, right there. Look at it. Look at it, right here. Look at it. See, if you ain't careful, you'll think she's shy or something. But she's standing off. That's it, ain't that? I'm just a little standoff. I just gotta build up trust. That's it, girl. That's it, girl. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. See, she relaxing now. So you gotta look for that. When you walk in the pen, they need to be at the gate, ready to hit it. If they ain't at the gate, ready to hit it, they to the back, they just got to build up trust now. Sometimes dogs, especially if you sell a brand new dog, and the dog has always been around you and no one else pretty much, man, you got to watch that because you'll sell it, and the dog will get to the new owner, and the dog will be acting shy. But if you're a new owner, you got to be patient with a brand new dog. Whether that dog is 2 months old, 2 years old, or 10 years old, they got to get used to you. Now some dogs, if they don't take no problem, they'll warm up quick. But some of them got to get used to you. So be patient with them. When you get a brand new dog, you can go run them right when you get them, but most times I recommend you keep them in the pen or somewhere where you can rub them and play with them for like 2 to 4 weeks. Just let them get used to you. That's it. That's it, girl. That's it, girl. That's it, baby. That's it, man. That's it, man. Good job. See, that's her right there. See her tail wagging, but she ain't shy. She just not the kind that's gonna be jumping on you all the time. Let's see how she do. See, she's still building up too. That's her back there. See her tail wagging? You want that tail to be wagging when they own you. That mean I ain't scared. Look at her tail wagging. Good sign. This is her right here. Come on out of there. Look at that. See, she got some tail movement. It ain't tucked between her legs. That's what you want. You ain't forcing. And one thing I do when I rub them, they got a tendency, dogs that shy have a tendency to put their head down. Rub them up under there. Watch this. You watch this. You do this, they'll shy down. I rub them up under there. Make them lift that head up. Lift that head up. That's it, girl. That's it. That's it, girl. That's it. You just everywhere, aren't you? No shot dog. Good job, Mike.